You can see each time we need to execute a separate command. For separate operations, it is very time consuming. So I created a tool which gives you all information by just entering one command. Go to my GitHub page. Link in description. This tool gives you every information about your Linux operating system, just by one command: OSINFO. Let's see how to install it. Copy the web page address. Link given in description. Type command git clone web address. Here our tool downloaded. Change directory to OSINFO. Let's give executable permissions to the installer. Type command sudo chmod +x/installer.sh. Type your root password. Now execute tool. Now run installer as root. sudo/installer.sh. It's installed. Now you can access this tool by typing command OSINFO or direct from menu. This tool shows Linux OS name, version, versions ID, version code name, Linux architecture, as well as CPU model and local system IP. Thanks for watching.